So this is another try again um, to make a intro for this video. I wanted to mess around with you guys a bit with this voice changer, but yeah, I kind of give up. Anyways, I've had to like cut the video because I messed up, or the voice changer, or I don't know, like the music wasn't the background music wasn't like you couldn't hear it. I just want something in the background while you guys hear me talk. It's just a quick video, not edited, so I don't really have to care to edit, and it's a good way for me to get back in the habit of making videos. Now, what I have behind me, I will go over it in a few minutes. I just want to mess with you guys with the voiceover, so that's what I'm
kind of doing right now while I'm talking to you guys. I will be talking about other things and other updates, so stay tuned to that. And I will be making a video on the other stuff, on my other projects and other ideas that I have, and I will go over them even more. Anyways, I'm gonna turn off the voice mod thing.
random. Yes. Anyways, um, where should we start? I added sound to this zone. Oh, actually, before we start, there was like some people that some people, maybe one person, I don't know, man. I haven't posted on this channel for a really long time. This is the dev channel. This is mostly where this video is gonna go to. But there was like someone that got annoyed with me because I used some type of plugin that was like kind of AI, but it's not really AI. It's just a person's plugin. It was to help me learn a bit more better of scripts because I am, let's be honest, I'm gonna be honest because you guys don't know, or may not know, that I am fairly trash at scripts, and there's too much language. Just like what, 20 to 23. I looked it up. I don't know if I'm wrong or correct. You could fact check me. But yeah, ignore me over there. But so far what we have, what I know about scripts is not very much. Is barely anything. Unlike Red Apple, he knows more scripts than me. Honestly, I think haven't beat in Blender, but there's some parts that he may know that I may not know. But you know, I rather kind of do Blender and world building than scripting. But I am gonna try to learn so I don't, get screwed over by some devs trying to put something in the game, because I do not want that for my other games, my bigger projects. Now, there's a lot of projects that I had planned and I kind of dropped because I was just busy. I'm not gonna call myself lazy. I was just pretty busy. I graduated. Yay! Woo! Anyways, but um yeah, I graduated and now I have more time, a little bit more time on my hands. I'll still be busy with other stuff, but I'm like focusing on like majority of my stuff. Now, there's Discord servers. There's two. There's the one that is like my channel only, my videos, my content, stuff like that. And then there's the one for Roblox develop my dev games and stuff like that. You could join both, but only join if you're going to be active. Right now, we just want active members. Later on, I plan to update the two Discord servers a bit more, because right now my main one needs a bit update, but there is a chat for the main one, so you could talk. And if you talk, I hope I plan to do giveaways, so you could level up in our chat and by texting people and talking. Yeah, sometimes I'll give XP because you guys are talking to me or just kind of asking random like questions or conversation. Also, I should put this non-collidable. Anyways, there's a lot of things that have been happening. This is just a non-edited video. I'm probably gonna do another one, but another one for more edited for my main channel or something, or maybe I just do a video for that. But this is mostly for the dev channel, so this is different. Anyways, I'm just rambling on. I'm trying to get this done so it's not longer than like probably 10 or 15 minutes. I haven't posted on the channel for a long time, so I hope I'm able to, post this video this long form. If I'm not, I'll figure it out. I'll probably just post it on my main if that's the case. Anyways, let's see what we need to talk about. But yeah, there are some people that at least I think one person was saying about like, oh, you're not learning or something like that, over me using a plugin that'll help me create a whole simulator thing already, but it only sets up a few starter points, like a few eggs and a few pets, click coins, whatever. Anyways, So I took it as criticism or critique. So I was like, all right, I see how that is. I don't want other people to feel the same of the type of way. So what I did instead is to redo the whole entire thing. From my previous devlog, so you're free to watch. They're pretty crappy, I'm not gonna lie. Um, but right now I have like, this is pretty much the whole game right here. This is all me. That's just so I could get a little bit monetized. I need some of the money, bro. I want to do giveaways. Giveaways to active members, of course. Active community. I like having a community. Anyways, feel free to join ours. All social medias are in the description. Hopefully. If links are not disabled because of YouTube weird TOS or some random conditions, whatever. Anyways, point is, a lot of things has changed. As you can see, this whole world. Oh, and that's his max zoom. I figured out how to do that. Woo, so cool. But I've updated. I give like leaks, not leaks, because you know nobody's actually looking at me. I'm just showing sneak peeks on my Discord server of the game. Pretty sure you guys can hear me. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to make sure. Anyways, I would make you be able to hear the music in the background for this game, but you guys are free to check it out yourself. I'm gonna see if I could send the comment, and it's actually a clickable link, so you guys could join, test out the game for yourself. And if you have any advice, suggestions, or anything, please do so. I would appreciate it. But yeah, this person said they got annoyed, and I was like, okay, I'll take it to consideration. It was supposed to be a test. Like, I replied to the comment, like, I think I stated that it's so I could learn and practice a bit more. But yeah, either way, I was like, I don't want other people feel the same, and I know a lot of people just feel a type of way. So, anyways, I redid the whole entire thing. This is my own thing. I did the crates, did the barrels, I did the booth. A lot of this is inspiration of Girl Garden since I played that for a while. I got bored of it. Did a chest, did this little thing. It's really easy. Bushes, some trees. You know, when someone joined the game, they said like it looks kind of dead, like pretty dry, as in like there's not a lot of stuff. So then I was like, all right. So I added more and more and more, and I added trees, and I added bushes. Then I added waterfall. Then I added crates. I added all these stuff. But yeah, there's a waterfall. Someone suggested to put a little tunnel right here at the waterfall. I just have to think of a valid reason to have it. But I don't know how far I'm gonna go for this game. If depending if how well this video does, if you guys want more devlogs, let me know. By liking the video, subscribing, and really just comment down below if you want more. I will try my best. This scripting thing is annoying. I have to have ChatGPT, another AI, some YouTube videos open, so I just could get some of the stuff right. But yeah. I have a I'll show you more about the game, but yeah, so far this is what I have. And then there's just a little me over there, because I wanted to change it. It was originally supposed to be an NPC for this, but yeah. Here's the coins. That's gonna be another currency. So we have clicks, and we have gems. Now you could trade your clicks for gems, and there's a leaderboard, later stats. I want a leaderboard. I want people to have statues over here. That would be really cool. Daily rewards. But yeah, let's say I want to interact with him. This is the AI, the UI we have, with the help of a bit of the AI and some videos. So if I try to give in 1, I can't. If I want to give in 0, I can't. So what if I give 2? By the way, it says enter valid, and I see that too. I just, yeah, whatever. Anyways, 2. See, look at 375, 376, and it took 2. If I say I put 9, it doesn't take 9. It takes 8. so it will give you back one click. Now, how do you get clicks? Like this. But this is very slow. You want faster clicks? Click the button. This exact button. Also, this should work for you. The UI should be fixed for mobile and console, so you can play this on console too. And that's the plans I have right now. So console, honestly, console is much easier. All you have to do is the trigger button, RT or R2. Just press that, and it's easy. Click. Because I got annoyed because if some controller player is playing and they have to press select and then they have to click the button but they can't move the character, it's just kind of like that's unfair. So yeah, so you can play this on console. Hopefully I'm able to add more stuff to this game, if I'm still, you know, feeling the embers in my soul to continue, you know what I mean. Anyways, there's gonna be another shopkeeper here, or seller, or something. I don't know. I probably have an idea of something. I just don't remember. Anyways, I did know one of my Discord members was trying to get out of like the map because he was trying to help me out. He did it on the chest, and I was like, "Oh, you're right. I should put a like non-collidable so you can't collide with that." So if I I could walk through it. But previous you were able to like just jump and then climb and then get out of the map, which is a no-no for us. Oh yeah, but yeah, I did this little waterfall. I kind of like it. There's a lot of smoke there, like supposed to be vapor. And same from up there. But yeah, that's the coin. Those coins are gonna be somewhere else and stuff like that. You collect the coins, they're gonna help you out. There's gonna be rebirth. Ad. Roblox ad. Oh, someone did join me a while ago. I didn't even notice. I'll say okay. I was trying to set up the video. It was one of my Discord members, which you should be one. I keep saying that, but we need an active community, and if you wanna be a part of it, yeah, feel free to join. Yeah, we're gonna have like 4 leaderboards, and for the most clicks, most gems, most coins, and most rebirth. This is so players could feel or just have bragging rights. Really, it's just bragging rights. Let's be honest, it's just bragging rights. There's gonna be a three top 1 number, first place, second place, third place, or it might be just first and second place. They'll be up there, or it could just be first place showing for each. I don't know yet. But yeah, let me know what you think. And no, the video's not done yet. Stop trying to go and check the bar. Just be patient. I'm almost done. Anyways, you could get on the trees, as you saw me doing that. And then players would try to like be cheeky, right? You can't, because I put a block there. Like it's invisible, transparent, but you can collide with it. To prevent the player from getting there. Now, if you're using some type of hack where it gives you speed and jump, you could probably go over it. I would hope you don't use hacks for this game. I mean, there's really no point. I'm not gonna make things overly expensive, and I don't want to be money hungry. Most of the stuff are gonna be really cheap in this game, unless it took me a long time to code. Then maybe I might change my mind for a few of the game passes and products. But I don't plan this game. I don't think this game is gonna do that well. But I'm just working on it because I just having fun doing it so far. But yeah, you can't collide with the bushes, you can't collide with the leaves, and yeah, and there is a time zone. So there, there's the whole purpose of this. If you're not gonna watch the other devlogs and you're all the way to this far, this is only for me to work on it. I could take advice, I could take suggestions and stuff like that, but it's just, this is a whole entire thing. I have to make it myself. But yeah, there's a time. And yeah, it takes like 20 minutes probably, and then it becomes nighttime, daytime, stuff like that. Maybe I should add an event. Maybe at nighttime there's like a 2 times something. I don't know. We'll see. I think of random things sometimes. Yeah, daily rewards. I also plan to have a daily rewards for our group members, so people that are in our Roblox group. They will get like another chest, and yeah, they could get extra rewards. Just want to have a few things that are free, but at the same time, there's a few things that you could be not I guess pay to win. You could buy stuff that will help you pay to win, but it's not gonna really be. I don't plan to be pay to win. We'll see how that turns out. I don't really think I'm gonna make it so or really. What, like you get 250 pets if you buy a game pass that is 10 Robux or 25 Robux. I don't know. Maybe I might do that for the trolls. Just for trolling. I want to add a script of command for I could take people's clicks and gems and rebirths and coins just for the trolling. And give them pets and clicks, coins, gems, rebirths, all the stuff if I feel like it, because it'll be cool. I would like to be able to control most of the stuff in the game, so I can make myself overpowered or give people stuff, just for the fun of it. Again, don't plan this game to be really big, so I don't really think it's gonna really affect anything in the game. And sure, if the game somehow gets popular, you could quote me, and then just like same guy that changed his mind or something like that. I don't know, or got proven wrong. But again, I really don't think. Probably this game will get maybe 1,000 at most, and that'll be really cool if it does. But again, it's just for fun, just for funsies. Not really really that taking that serious. Anyways, hold on, I'm not done. Be patient. Stop looking at the bar to see how long you are from the video. In the video thing. Before I show you more about the Roblox Studio, we move on to Roblox Studio. I want to talk about. I'm working on a big project. So this is one of the reasons I'm making this game as well. Going back to updating this whole game. Actually, hold on. Before we do that, the clicks. There's also UI music clicks. When you click, there's like a anytime you click, just it has a little sound effect. I'm planning to do the same for the gems and coins and rebirth and some other stuff. I plan to have sound effects. Oh, you can respawn. There was a glitch that you won't see the labels if you respawn, so no respawn. And you can't die. And if you go too deep in the void, you get TP to the center. I'll also add parkour probably and make it so you get TP back to spawn, so we don't have players dying, unless somehow they do. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Let me start over. At least I have something. Unless I have something else to add. I don't really think so. I don't think. Anyways. It's almost nighttime. Maybe you can catch a glimpse of how it looks like at nighttime, because I haven't gotten a look at nighttime in the game myself. But yeah, we have 3 currencies. Actually 4. Technically, something like that. Anyways, I guess I checked a lot. My bad. Okay, secret stock. This video is almost 20 minutes already. Jeez. So, I took a long break, you know, I already said it in the beginning. I graduated, stuff like that. Me debating if I should tell you my age. Maybe I'll tell you, if you know my age, you know. And if you don't, you will know later. When the time comes. I like to keep my information private. I am working on trying to make videos for my other channels. I build PCs now. I learn how to build PCs. I know how to build some. That's why I have a better quality PC now. As you can see, there's no lag. Woo, I could do whatever. Oh, and I have a new mouse and a keyboard. Ooh, look at that. I'm sorry if I made you dizzy. I'm so sorry. But yeah, a lot of things has changed. And I have to make an update video for my main channel. I have to get to it. I have too many videos, too many stuff that I haven't edited. There's too many things I have in my plate right now. So I am the manager of my own game. Oh my god, what a surprise! The guy that is making his own game is the manager of his own game? What a surprise! Yeah, I know, super surprising. Anyways, what I mostly mean is that I plan to start like pretty much a business, but a business that's not like a boring business, is just calling it a business. It's more of a I'm gonna make a Roblox game. I am the manager for it, for my big Roblox project that I have planned. Now, there will be a trailer on this channel later on. I'll be posting it on my other channels as well. And hopefully Selfie posts it on his channel as well. And yeah, we could get some people to see it and we could get some support. We're gonna start a Kickstarter for the manga. Hold on, let me get to it. I'll go more further on that. We are excited for this because we want to get it like done. At least I know I am really excited about seeing how much we progressed into like story building and world building and stuff like that. Now this is for, again, another game, another big project that I have that we're working on right now. Now I am not gonna publicly say anything yet because you never know who's be watching and who might be copying, because I want my idea to be like not copied just yet or try to be get ripped off just yet. But yeah, I'm proud of how much we progressed. Now, even when I was busy, I was thinking of ideas for the game. And this bit I put a bulletin points for the ideas of each lore and each arc. Now, what are those arcs? You will find out later on. But what you will see later on is like a pilot, quote unquote, I plan to have done. I don't know if it's going to be this year or next year, but we're going to have a trailer. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take for developing the game. Probably pretty long. It's going to take a long time. If we never know what could happen in 2 years, really. We don't know what could happen in 1 year. All we can know, I could probably be getting $10,000 randomly next year, and I could just, give that, spend that money for developers and stuff. Sorry, I had to burp for a minute. Anyways, I have also just a life. I have a life. I'm not saying you guys don't, by the way. Don't take it as that. But yeah, I just been busy with a lot of stuff. And yeah, I've thought of like the story and the world building, and we will have that, and we'll figure that out for you guys to play and watch. I want you guys to be able to play the game and actually have fun, and I'm able to play the game and have fun for myself and do a lot of giveaways in, I don't know, cutscenes, like random projects, just for fun and kind of like a passion. But in a type of way, of course, money has to come into mostly everything, because I want, with more money we could get more fun so we could continue the project. Now there's also going to be more public information when the time comes, but right now I think I finished the members Discord thing. So Discord, you could become a Discord member, the paying Discord member, for our Roblox dev Discord server, and that will help support us to make the game, and to fund developers and stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, sorry, I'm just getting frustrated because I keep saying There's just a lot, and I can't just put it into a for 5-minute video or into 5 minutes, because the video was already in 24 minutes, and I'm not planning this to be more than 30 minutes. It's just, there's a lot, or probably more than longer than 40. There's just a lot. Anyways, it's just bro, what am I doing? I'm like struggling right now. There's just a lot that we have planned, that I have planned, that I hope comes to fruition, if that's the appropriate word. I think that means like come to the light or arise. But yeah, I have a lot of things I want to get worked on and made, and the game and manga is one of two of those things. And the manga will be in the same universe as the game, so we will have a manga and and a game for that. Me and my friends so far have been working together into making a manga and the anime. I mean the manga and the game. Now hopefully I'm able to make it into an anime in the future, but right now plans to make it into a manga and me to have the game. Is the game coming out first or the manga? I can't tell you. I don't know yet, since those are still in productions. We haven't even I don't even think they started on chapter 1. We have been building up the characters and thinking how stuff are just as a draft, but it's been taking so long. But yeah, we have planned a lot. Stories, characters. We're still gonna keep working on it. Hopefully we could get your support. But this game is just a little side project that to help me progress my game developing knowledge, so I don't get screwed over by developers. I know Rail Brothers got screwed over by some developers, and some people also got messed up and stuff like that. I don't want to be those people, because we need to budget with money as much as possible, because it's gonna be the community's money. It's not our money. If the whatever the amount of community gives, really it's gonna be the one that's gonna go back to the community to make the game, to do giveaways and stuff. I mean, maybe we'll waste some of out of pocket, but yeah, even if the game doesn't get that popular, I hope it gets 1,000 players. I'll be happy if it gets 1,000. I don't plan to make it pay to win. I have already decided how the game passes and products are gonna be adjusted. They're not gonna be so pay to win. You could pay to get rare stuff, sure, but not you could get the same stuff if you're a free player. I mean, it's gonna take you longer, but you're able to trade, and yeah, I can't go further than that. But yeah, I don't plan to make it to pay to win. And the big project, it's gonna have some stuff that are gonna be costly, but some of those stuff, at most I think maybe some of them are like 3,000 Robux. 3,000? Yeah, probably. Actually, the most Robux I would probably make, I mean, like price for something would probably be 5,000. And if it's like a whole big bundle with a lot of benefits and stuff like that, maybe 10,000 Robux. But I see the likely chances of 10,000 Robux very, very small, because if I'm pricing at 10,000, I better be adding so many stuff so it's worth those 10,000 Robux, because ain't no way I don't think any of you will be paying 10,000 Robux for a game. I mean, maybe you waste 10,000 Robux separately, constant paying, but not all in one purchase. Anyways, yeah, I have a lot of ideas and stuff like that into the game, and if you are a developer and want to send me your portfolio, or a manga artist and want to send me your portfolio, or an animator, or anything that I said that interests you, that you want to work on with me on for, or something like that, let me know. Send me your portfolio. Hopefully you guys know what a portfolio is, and if you don't, that's fine. I'm not gonna make fun of you for it. A portfolio is pretty much all your past history of drawings, or your drawings, or what things you worked on, or drawings are an example. It could be like things that you worked on, games that you worked on, things you created, pretty much like your things you made yourself to show off. Just pretty much showing off. Show off what you worked on, what you've been working on, and yeah. And if you have people that you think will be good to to join us too, feel free to send a comment down below or contact me on Discord. I'm pretty active on Discord. Not so much on Instagram or any other a lot of my other social medias, but I'm mostly active on Discord. DM me, shoot me a DM, join my Discord server. My DMs are always open on Discord server and in my Discord server, so you will be able to. Again, if you have any recommendations of artists, game developers, or anything like that of those lines, let me know. DM me. I will reach out, and whenever we have the capability of hiring people from the game and we have announced something, then we will hire people. And we've already been kind of looking into some artists and some possible new hires and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know. And yeah, this is a lot. But yeah, just take that as for consideration, because we're looking for some people anyways too. So it would be really greatly appreciated if you reached out. I will go more over it into another video actually. I think that's enough yapping for that video before the video becomes 40 minutes. Now, let me change my screen so you guys could see. This is Roblox Studio. You already know that, but this is what I have so far. This is for trading. I plan to change the trading so you could trade coins for gems. Or maybe I should have gems to trade with coins. I don't know yet. But it clicks to gems, and then there's this. You go click how much you want to give in. Numbers, button, accept, and then you trade clicks for gems. And then same for this. And this is like a scrolling mechanic. But besides that, this is also supposed to be an exit. Sometimes it doesn't work. I have to figure that out. View. Okay. Gem trader. I have to change this animation. Everything is all over the place. I need to name some of these. Okay, yeah, there's a lot. And pretty much the world. While you're seeing this, it's not going to stay like this. There's going to be changed. Also, this kind of room emerges. You get the word. You know the word. Of the player in the game. But not all this is going to stay like how it is. Probably the center in this area, but not this, the outside. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna also keep that, and probably keep that, and change into something else. Gem seller was supposed to be me, but then I was like, you know what, this makes more sense. Original Roblox. I don't know really what you call these, but do you guys call them a noob or just a normal Roblox character? It's pretty much a block character. Anyways, there's gonna be another NPC here. I'll probably make him a bacon here. Just a normal bacon here. Yeah, the waterfall. So you have a better view. And talking about the waterfall. Let me change it so it can't collide. Okay, I am messing that up. Okay, and I'm not gonna publish this. That'll update because look at that. Can't even. It's annoying. But I should be able to. Yup, I'm able to touch the water. Not that water though. Just fine. But now it looks more like a water. But let me also, if you have advice, suggestions how to fix that, let me know. And I also thought of making a random video about how some Roblox developers shouldn't be able, or shouldn't be allowed, not allowed, they shouldn't say there's no games on Roblox when they're just Roblox developers, or more like when they don't, let's be okay, you might disagree, but I think a lot of Roblox developers gatekeep. Maybe I don't know how much of the percentages of people agree and disagree with that, but there is a lot of Roblox developers there's a wrong animation with that. I think there's like a small, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I think a lot of Roblox developers gatekeep. I don't think Roblox developers should be saying, "Oh, there's no games on Roblox," when they're Roblox developers, because the ones that gatekeep at least. The ones that don't gatekeep are pretty cool. They try to give more information to people so they could learn. But yeah, I have to learn how to do VFX. I have to learn how to I tried to use Moon Animator, but I got frustrated with it. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to use it. I didn't pay for it. It's for I got it when it was free. Lucky me, I guess. I don't even use it. I haven't used it. Honestly, Moon Animator seems nice and stuff like that. Maybe for some parts, but for me personally, I can't. Some bugs with it. I forgot my screen is Roblox stuff. I'm playing on the game. Anyways, yeah, bro. I just forgot what I was talking about for a second. Oh yeah, there's another than me over there. But Roblox devs gatekeep and stuff like that, and I have Moon Animator. Actually, let's go over here. Moon Animator. Okay, let me know if this is normal Moon Animator up to date, because I can't. There's like supposed to be some buttons here, but I can't see those buttons, and there's supposed to be something called a face rig or a face keyframe, I think, but I can't see that. So I don't really know if I have the whole version, because it is the only version. I mean, it's normal Moon Animator. It's not really anything else. Yeah, I mean, yeah, auto update. Yeah, it updated last time. I mean, I don't know. You guys can let me know. Hopefully I didn't move anything. Anyways, advice, suggestions, anything, let me know. I'm gonna keep working on this for the time being, and we will see what comes after that. Just to kind of this devlog to be like an update video to let you guys know where the same world that some people complain about is at. Roblox. But yeah, I need to add a rebirth, coins. Oh yeah, I am gonna add, this is a cooldown. There's a cooldown for here and here. There's a longer cooldown when you click away from the button. When you click this button, it's quicker. Reason is, I have one of my Discord members tested the click thing as well, and they said, oh, the auto clicker is OP. So I was like, alright, I could fix that. And then I added a cooldown, and yeah, there's like a cooldown on it. So then I thought we could add a auto clicker of our own and have a what's it called, a upgrader, which might, oh yeah, I probably was gonna make this an upgrader where you could upgrade your clicks and have it faster or give you even more clicks, and that will be up to the player. Because I was thinking maybe they could buy it with gems or maybe coins, but then coins is gonna be, players have to collect coins and touch them, interact with the coins, and then they get coin. But right now, I guess we could I'll probably just use gems. Also, let me know, do you like the UI? Personally, I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, this video is about to be 40 minutes. But yeah, I just wanted to do a devlog, I guess, yeah, video with no edits and stuff like that. Hopefully you did enjoy the video. Hopefully it was helpful in some type of way. Helpful to know where I am and how I've been, or the projects I'm working on. There's a lot of projects that we're working on. There's a lot. feel free to support even by just watching this video. Subscribing, liking is really appreciated and supports us a lot. It's always appreciated. Oh yeah, we made it so you can't collide with players as well. You can collide with the NPC though. But yeah, comment down below what the things I said before. Give me feedback, suggestions, anything, bro. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe with notifications. If you didn't like this video, I guess dislike it. Or I don't know, just do whatever you want, man. But again, likes is always appreciated. And a subscribe button, being subscribed. And join our Discord server, join our social medias are in the description, and Roblox group, stuff like that. I think that's pretty much it. And I think I don't really have anything else to say or tell. Anyways, again, thanks for watching. Really do appreciate it, and hopefully you see my next video or the trailer. Anyways, I'm gonna go now because it's 5 a.m. and I'm recording this on the 7/21st. I mean 7/25th. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. Hopefully it's posted the next day or the week after. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Remember to stay safe and take care.
Bye, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? The video ended. You could get off the video now. I'll just wait. Any day now, bro. Damn, you still watching? Damn, thanks. Supporting for real. You feel free to watch more of my other videos if you enjoyed this one or it's taking this long. Either that or you just left me playing in the background, which would be very, very mean. Don't be mean. If you can, just rewatch this whole video then. If you want. You know, while you're at it, might as well just have this video play in the background as well. Alright. You guys are still staying here for too long, man. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm gonna do a little /E wave.